From ABC 7, live breaking news.
And today this is about acknowledging the frustration that the court is not requiring Ms. Lau to even acknowledge her guilt. Rather than requiring a guilty plea, the court has decided that it is sufficient for her to enter a no contest plea.
Frustration from San Francisco's district attorney and the family members of the 4 people killed 2 years ago in the West Portal neighborhood in a deadly crash. It comes as the driver involved in the case was sentenced to probation and no additional jail time today. Good evening, I'm Amma Dates.
And I'm Dan Ashley. Thank you for joining us. The leniency of the sentencing has many people in the community outraged.
ABC 7 Eyewitness News reporter Luz Pena was at the courthouse as it was handed down and is live with the latest. Luz.
Yes, Amma and Dan, this was a very heavy day in court today. This was actually the first time that the 80-year-old driver, Mary Fong Lau, stood up and said, "I am sorry" to the family who was present today. Many of them broke out in tears and said they had been waiting to hear those words, yet they said they did not feel like justice was served. They did not agree with this sentencing. Here's what District Attorney Brooke Jenkins said earlier.
Again, this is not a crime that we believe was intentional conduct, and there are limitations to what she is able to do physically. But again, simply because you are elderly does not mean that there shouldn't be sufficient accountability. And I think that's what my office's position remains to be, is that there has to be a form of accountability that actually gives this family a sense of justice, that sends a message to other drivers on the roads of San Francisco.
The 80-year-old driver, Mary Fong Lau, entered a plea of no contest and received a sentence of 6 days in jail plus 2 years in probation and 200 hours of community service. The jail sentence is the number of days she's already served, so there will be no additional time added. Her attorney said she was remorseful.
There are no good outcomes for such an immense tragedy. I think everyone who came to court today felt the pain that's present in the community and from these families, and we feel it too. Ms. Lau feels the pain of this tragic loss. She has taken accountability by pleading no contest, not requiring the district attorney's office to do a preliminary hearing or to take the case to trial, which would have taken years with an unknown outcome. And she hopes that by entering no contest pleas, it can begin a process of healing for these families and for the community.
The family of 4 was on their way to the San Francisco Zoo with their 2 young children when they were killed by Lau driving 70 miles an hour in the residential area of West Portal. Now, there are still 2 civil lawsuits pending right now that will continue after this sentencing. I spoke to the civil attorney for the family here, and he said that they are getting ready to be very aggressive with these 2 lawsuits. They said that today is when that continues. Also, Mary Fong Lau, the 80-year-old driver, her attorney said that she is not planning to drive right now. Her license is revoked for 3 years only at this point.